It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. Features include automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, rear wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.